Hello everybody and welcome to Bangladesh. Today we will be making chicken korma. Feel free to pause the video here and have a read of the ingredients. Begin by adding yogurt to your chicken in a bowl. If you find that the yogurt is too thick, you can whip it with a fork for a few seconds. Stir the yogurt through the chicken to make sure it's evenly coated. Set the chicken aside for a minimum of 1 to 2 hours, or as long as you possibly can. Soak your cashews in some milk and set aside for 10 minutes. You then want to blend the cashews to make a cashew milk. Thinly slice 1½ onions. You then want to grate the remaining 1½ onions. Grating the onions helps thicken the curry and also deepens the flavour. Add oil to a pan and allow it to heat up. Then add your bay leaves, cinnamon sticks, cardamom and cloves. Fry these lightly for just under a minute, making sure they don't burn. This allows them to release their aromas. Then add your sliced onions and stir through. To your onion, add your salt, garlic paste and ginger paste. Stir this through. Cover and allow to cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Until the onions are just starting to soften. Whilst the onions are cooking, you can hard boil 8 eggs. Once your onions have begun to soften, add your grated onion and your 3 chillies. You want to slightly score the chillies so that they can release their spices and aroma better. Stir this through and cook for around 5 minutes, allowing both the sliced and grated onion to brown and become soft. As it cooks, the strong onion smell from the grated onions should also fade. Once the onions have taken on a brown colour, reduce the heat to a low flame and add your chicken and yogurt. Stir these thoroughly through the onions to coat the chicken with the onions and mix in the yogurt. Once you have stirred this through well, increase the heat to a medium flame and cover and allow to cook for around 10 to 15 minutes. Once the chicken has started to release its juices, you can add your spices. At this point you can add your cashew milk, but we also added it a bit later. Cover and allow the chicken to cook. If you have not added your cashew milk with the spices, you can add it after 5 minutes of cooking the chicken. Stir the blended cashew milk well throughout the chicken and the onions. Cover and allow to cook until the chicken has fully cooked. As the chicken is cooking, you want to score around the edges of your boiled eggs. This will help them take on the flavour of the curry better. Once the chicken is fully cooked, add your boiled eggs to the curry. Stir the eggs through the curry to make sure it's covered with the gravy, stirring gently to make sure the eggs do not break. Once you have stirred through your eggs, add your fried onions and your chillies. Cover and allow to cook for 5 minutes. Whilst this is cooking, warm up some milk in the microwave. After the 5 minutes, add your warm milk to the curry, stirring it through. We have used around 300 ml, but you can add more if you want your gravy to be thinner or if you want more gravy. Reduce your heat to a low and cook for another 5 to 10 minutes. Add 2 tablespoons of ghee to the top of your gravy. Cook for a final 5 minutes and the curry is ready to serve. We enjoy chicken korma with pilau rice or flatbread. If you enjoyed our video, please give it a like and consider subscribing, and comment down below if you give this recipe a try.